Yo, what's going on, everybody? How you doing? How you living? I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but we're gonna do it today. We're out at Smithville Lake right now. We're getting the old kayaks out, so we're about to go out and tear it up, baby. Woo! Yeah, son. So check it out. Oh, all right. So this is my first time coming down here. This place is legit. Check this out. I don't know if this wide angle is gonna do this place justice, but dude, it's so beautiful. Little fire spot. There's like a whole bunch of like little trees sticking out. It's gonna be so tight to paddle around. But oh, today is gonna be a good day. Yeah! Ah! Safety first, you guys.
What is that?
That's my best friend, bro. That's that sunscreen. All right, you guys are ready to go now, baby. Yeah. Check this out, you guys. We're out in the water, baby. Look at that, dude. Trees everywhere. This is so sick. This is so awesome. So beautiful and peaceful out here. Bunch of little trees and stuff everywhere, but it's like cool. Beautiful sky, man. I'm not gonna lie. My lover, yeah. Don't be afraid. I don't mean to scare you. So help me. Alright, I just had the scare of a lifetime. I don't even know if you can see me right now, but I hit this like log thing, dude, and almost flipped me over. I got like water up in the lens. I'm sure you can't see me, but Preston saves the day with my paddle. Oh God, that was scary as crap. I thought I was going down. All right, y'all, after that scare, we're taking a little chill pill. We're relaxing on this cool little beach anchored out here. Yeah, I almost went down, camera went in the water. I'm using my phone now to record, but I think the camera still works. I just gotta mess with it, but. Anywho, it's beautiful out here, enjoying the day. Looks like we got a storm rolling in over there.
It says it's not gonna rain. But it looks like it's gonna rain.
Yeah. It might sprinkle a little bit, but it'd be alright. I'm already a little wet. Woo! Just came in rough. It's like, it's about to storm maybe. We might catch a little rain. Look at this guy.
Those fucking white caps going off?
Yeah.
In front of your kayak, it's like, when you're going into it, the waves just go over the tip of it.
Yeah. No, this is crazy. I don't know if you guys got bad wind noise, but this is insane. Woo! All right, yo. We're gonna take shelter in the woods for a little bit. We're gonna ride out the storm. It's not really too bad, but I know it's pretty freaking windy right now. But yeah, we're just gonna go hide away from the rain for a second. Going on a journey, dude. These woods are awesome. Let me try to flip my camera around. I don't know how to do it. Here we go. Oh God, I took a picture. I can't do it, but dude, these woods are tight. Hey, Smithville. Alright, game on. Yeah! We're out here chilling. The storm blew by, so it's all beautiful again. Sweet, that wasn't too shabby. Made for a fun little adventure. Alright! Hey! Get some action shots. Dun 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 dun. Getting that upper arm strength. Dude, this is tight. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall in the water. It might. It's so peaceful out here. The storm blew over. Everything's all good. It was just a little drizzle. You can still hear the thunder and stuff in the back. It sounds pretty cool. But what a beautiful day. This is tight. It looks pretty cool. Hey, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Ram Ranch. Come on, Preston.
That'd be crazy.
Bloody beautiful, mate.
Beautiful.
Bloody beautiful. Sun's out, baby. Yeah. Woo! Make yourself comfortable.
I look naked.
Yeah. The limb line here is about to tie a fishing line to one of these branches here, and we're gonna let it sit out while we paddle around, and then we'll come back to it and see if we'll get a fish. Worms. So here's the first one, this little split log tree thing. So we're gonna tie it off to this and hope for the best. One done. Line one done. And we got log number 2 here. Cool. It's like hollow. It's pretty cool. Our second one is right there. So they're pretty close together. So hopefully we'll catch a good fish out of Cha. There's a rainbow. Can you see it right there? Oh, dude, that's sick. What a beautiful day. Hopefully you can see it. Oh, heck yeah. That is tight. Very cool. Cool little random birdhouse. Kind of sweet. Budweiser. 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 Hey! Ginger found some shade, boy. Feels great. We're like in this back little cove area. Pretty tight. But woo! Feels good. Eating sub sandwiches and drinking some beer. We got some Budweiser and Keystone. Or Budweiser and Keystone. Budweiser's gone, but we still got the Keystones left, yes. Paddling into. That is incredible. Look at the clouds and like freaking rainbow. That's awesome. This is so beautiful. Hey, future Jake, remember when you went kayaking out on the lake? Wasn't it awesome? Oh man, yeah, it sure was. 2 sticks just chilling. Posted up. Anchored out.
Anchored out.
Hey. Beautiful. It's getting windy. It's getting some waves and it's nice. This is so tight. Well, line 1. We didn't get anything, but it's all good. We still got that other one over here we're gonna check. Oh crap, almost flipped. Alright, line 1 was a fail. Let's get line 2. Anything? I'm crashing.
Nothing.
Nada. Oh well. It was cool though. At least we tried, mate. Well, no fish. It was all good though. Might as well try to put a couple lines out, you know, while we're out here kayaking. But man, this is such a nice day. It was so awesome. Check it out. I don't know if you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but check that out. There's like a bunch of look at all the birds up in the trees. Just out there on the water. It's so crazy. Whoa, wobbly kayak video. Hey. Woo! Flying, baby, we're flying. Yeah. Over here.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, post it up. Hey.
Back to the back, and I'm back to the basics. Living in the real time motherfucking matrix. Different numbers, different colors. Should I take this? Who said I should make? Should I even make this?
Hey. You crazy fool. You crazy dude. Oh shit, we got a spilt beer. Oh god. Man down, man down. God. You're crazy, bro. You're crazy. Yeah.
Hey, I just learned how to pee.
Oh my god.
Yeah, baby.
Woo! Land ho. Go ahead and call me Tom Sawyer, boy. Took my shoes off. Oh god, here we go. Here goes nothing. Woo! That's, oh god, it's cold and slimy. That's the spirit. Oh dude, this is some slushy sludge. Look at this. This is great. Oh, this is awesome. Land ho! Alright, now I don't know. Go pee or something. Chug a beer, man. This is so dope. We out here! Hey!
Snake.
Oh god!
Kidding.
Kidding. I'll take him home, and Memphis will have a girlfriend or a friend.
A venomous water snake.
This is so dope. Oh yeah, baby.
Live stream.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ay, caramba. Ay, ay, ay.
Ooh, daddy!
Oh, daddy. Oh, God, you're ridiculous. Baby, the sun is going down.
I'll give you a beer, right?
Yeah, I got a beer. Beautiful, man. This place is so cool. What a day. All right, you guys, I think I'm going to end it there. Thanks for watching our little kayak adventure. The sun's going down, so probably a good time to end it. We're about to go get packed up and head home and stuff, but thanks for watching. I know it's been a while since I made a YouTube video, but I don't know. We're going to get back into it here. But yeah, thanks for watching again. We'll talk to you later. Peace.